Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to CarWale. Ford is betting big on SUVs in India and has already tasted success with the Endeavour and EcoSport. It is now introducing an entry-level model, which is the 2018 Ford Freestyle. It will join the likes of the Figo hatchback and Aspire compact sedan. When launched in India later this year, Ford will offer the Freestyle 8 different variants, 6 color options, and with both diesel and petrol power. The Freestyle debuts a new design language for Ford's entry-level models. Highlights of this include the blacked-out grille, black cladding around the sides, and chunky bumpers on the front and rear. The Freestyle's cabin has been trimmed out in a dual-tone shade of chocolate brown and black. This top-spec Titanium Plus variant that we have driven gets automatic climate control, a tablet display for the Sync 3 infotainment system, and 7 storage spaces. The rear is quite bare as you do not have any of the segment standard features like rear AC vents, an armrest, 12-volt socket, or even door pockets. The boot at 257 litres is quite small, but you do get the option of a folding down rear seat back. The car that we are driving today is the new 1.2 litre 3-cylinder TIVCT petrol engine. This Freestyle that we have driven is powered by a new 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine producing 94 bhp and 120 Nm of torque. However, you can also have this car with a 1.5 litre diesel. Both engines are offered only with a 5-speed manual gearbox. A good mid-range, light clutch action and easy throws make this petrol-powered Freestyle an easy drive. The ride quality is top-notch and the suspension setup is able to absorb the impact from most bumps and potholes without sending too much back to the cabin. This is no doubt also helped by the 190mm ground clearance and wide tires. There is a growing market for compact crossovers in India. We already have cars like the Hyundai i20 Active, Toyota Etios Cross, Fiat Urban Cross and the Fiat Aventura. This, the Freestyle, is Ford's new competitor in this segment. We believe that Ford will price it in the range of Rs 5.5 lakhs to Rs 8.5 lakhs. So there you have it, our first drive review of the 2018 Ford Freestyle. Do let us know what you think about our review by leaving your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CarWale.